Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also drop a comment below and let me know if your thoughts on today's topic. So today I want to show you my investment in crypto. It's spot trading, guys. It is spot. It's not a futures. It's not options. It's spot trading. Here we can see the value and the price and the date with time. So before we dive in, I want to make it clear that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Alright, let's talk about my latest crypto investments. Once again, I have decided to add to my portfolio, and this time I went with some solid picks. This is Litecoin here, Ethereum, 2 orders here, Bitcoin Cash, this one, XRP, this one, and Toncoin. Okay, you guys ask me why these coins. Well, each of them has strong fundamentals and solid use cases in the crypto spaces. Ethereum continues to dominate the smart contract sector. XRP is making moves in the cross-border payment industry, and Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash provide faster and cheaper transactions compared to Bitcoin. Toncoin, this one, on the other hand, is gaining traction in the blockchain ecosystem. So now I will show you what is my limit orders. So first of all, it's Bitcoin Cash here, and this black line is my order. I will expect the price here or below, and the blue and the black line is my point where I will buy it. Well, next is Ethereum. I have 2 orders, one of them here and here, just 2 black lines. Next one is Toncoin. I will buy here. Next, XRP. I will buy here. And if I see price below the black line, for example here or here, I will buy more. Okay, next one is Litecoin. Well, I want to buy it here. And below, for example here. I will buy more here. It's approximately $40. And yeah, that's it. Here you can see my orders, my limit orders. So what do you think? Are you investing in any of these cryptos, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and share it with others who might be interested in crypto investing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video. Bye guys.